This is a report about the unboxing of the Adidas SL20 shoe. Again, a little more. So this is a high-performance running shoe. It's also for competition. So it comes in a box, and I ordered it in the colors black and orange. Actually, I like the design quite much. It is really light-weighted. Here you have the other shoe. I really like the colors and the design of the shoe. It's really light-weighted. It has around about 230 grams, which is much lighter as other maybe Ultra Boost or Boost shoes. The shoe fits well. You have a comfortable feeling. And it has also, as much other shoes from Adidas, continental sole, which gives you a good grip during running. It's a neutral shoe without any pronation, but it feels good, so it gives you a feeling that you can run fast. So if you walk in the shoe, you already feel the damping, which is still, for this kind of lightweight shoe, quite good. So I'm really keen on going for the first run. In contrast to maybe other shoes as Ultra Boost, this is really a pure running shoe, and I won't see it that you can use that outside of the track.